Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete details about the G+1 foundation design reinforcement details, which is related to your respected equal to 20 feet height building. Okay, so for this respected G+1 building, which is consisting of 20 feet height, I will consider the trapezoidal foundation section. Okay, so in this video, I will explain you what are the different types of the parameters that we need to consider for foundation design section and what are the values that will be standard for this respected foundation details. Okay, so firstly I will explain you what are the different types of the parameters that we will consider for designing of this respected foundation. So these three are the basic parameters we need to consider before designing of any one of the foundation for the respected building section. In that, first one is loading condition, and second one is soil condition system, and third one is grade of the concrete system. Okay, so these are the main parameters just we need to consider before designing of the foundation section. Okay, so first one is loading condition. So if you increase the loading condition on that respected foundation or soil condition, basically the reinforcement values will be greater. Okay, due to that reason only we need to concentrate on the loading system. Okay, so basically for the respected G+1 building structure, we will consider the load cases which comes under your gravitational loads. Okay, which is related to the dead loading condition as well as your live loading condition. So along with that, we need to consider the seismic loading condition if that building is existing high seismic zoning condition, whether it is zone 4 or zone 5 condition. Okay, no need to consider about the wind loading condition. Why? Because as per the IS codal provision, it is suggesting that if the building height is greater than your respected 10 meter, basically we have to consider the wind loading condition. Otherwise we need to skip the respected values of the wind loading condition. Okay, so this is the first factor we need to consider, the loading system. Okay, so under the loading system we need to consider only the gravitational forces. Okay, so the second one is soil condition. Okay, basically the soil condition is also one of the important factor we need to consider for designing of your respected foundation. Okay, so firstly soil conditions are divided into three categories. Okay, under the first one is loose soil condition, and second one is medium soil condition, and third one is hard soil condition. So if you construct any one of the building system in the loose soil condition, due to the effect of the less amount of the strength on that existing soil condition, so basically the structure is also require high amount of the reinforcement values. Okay, this is the factor we need to consider. So if you concentrate on the medium soil condition system, basically we have to take the adequate quality of your respected quantity of your respected reinforcement values. Okay, so if you construct any one of the building in hard soil condition, basically the construction technology we have to use advanced one, and the reinforcement values will be similar to your respected medium soil condition system. Okay, so if you construct on loose soil condition system, basically we have to consider high amount of the reinforcement values. Okay, this is the second factor we need to consider. And the third factor is concrete grade. Grade of the concrete is also one of the most important concept. Okay, so if you increase the grade of the concrete section, basically we have to consider the high amount of the respected foundation details. Okay, so these are the basic three parameters we need to consider for before designing of any kind of the foundation section. Under that we have loading condition, soil condition, and concrete grade. Okay, so now I will explain you what are the specifications that will be exist for this respected G+1 building, which is having 20 feet height, which is approximately of 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6 meter height. Okay, so if you construct any one of the building which is related to your 6 meter height, basically we have to initially fix the grade of the concrete, grade of the steel, as well as your respected bearing capacity of the soil. Okay, this respected foundation which I explained today in this class will be exist for your respected specifications here. Okay, which is having M20 grade concrete. Okay, and Fe 500 grade steel, and soil bearing capacity is 200. If you are having the grade of the concrete is M20, Fe 500, and soil bearing capacity is 200, then you need to consider this respected reinforcement details for the G+1 building. Okay, so this is the trapezoidal reinforcement details, and this is the top view for this respected building, and this is the front view for this respected building. So inside this respected section, it will be consisting of your respected column top view here like this. Okay, which is having the 6 number of the bars in the top view section you can consider. Okay, so the reinforcement values of your respected column will be depends upon your different types of the parameters. So I was already explained different types of the parameters what we need to consider for this respected section. I will provide you that respected video link in above cart link. For this respected video, you can watch that respected video from here. Okay, so these are the columns which are provided for this respected G+1 building, which is having the dimensions is 9 inches cross 12 inches. Okay, for this respected building of G+1 building. Okay, so this is the front view. So these are the mesh properties we need to provide for this respected foundation section. Okay, so this is the horizontal mesh we need to provide, and this is the vertical mesh we need to provide initially for the foundation design section. Okay, the diameter of your respected bar which is used for this respected preparation of the mesh is 10 mm diameter. Okay, so just we have to place the mesh in between the distance of center to center distance for the each bar we will provide here is 5 inches. 5 inches is the center to center distance between the each bar we will provide in horizontal direction, at the same time vertical direction. Okay, this is the main reinforcement section we need to provide for the G+1 building. Okay, so this is the reinforcement details for the foundation section. If you consider for M20 grade concrete, Fe 500 grade steel, and soil bearing capacity which is having 200 value. Okay, so basically we have to provide mesh which is having the horizontal bars is 10 mm and vertical bars is 10 mm. We have to provide for this respected foundation. Okay, so for this respected foundation we have to use the center to center distance between the each bar in horizontal position as well as your vertical position is approximately 5 inches. Okay, so this is the reinforcement value front view section. So this is the front view section, front view. Okay, and this is the this is the top view, I think. This is the top view section for this respected foundation, and this is the front view for this respected section, front view for the foundation. So this is the front view for this respected foundation, okay, which is having your respected reinforcement bars which is related to the mesh or under this respected section here like this, which is having the reinforcement diameter is 10 mm bars, and the center to center distance between the each bar we will consider here as 5 inches. Okay, for this respected reinforcement section. Okay, so this is the reinforcement values bars which is provided for this respected section. Okay, so and depth of this respected foundation we will consider for G+1 building approximately equal to 5 feet to 6 feet, depends upon your considerations of the building sections load cases. Okay, so this is the section which is having 10 mm diameter with 5 center to center distance, and we have to take the clear cover. So in between this respected distance we have to provide the cover for this respected bar section. So that respected clear cover we will take here as 50 mm. So 50 mm is the clear cover that will provide for this respected section. So in connection of this respected mesh property, it will be consisting of your respected main reinforcement section for the columns here. Okay, so which is prolonged to your respected foundation section here like this. Okay, so we can use the 16 mm diameter bar or 12 mm diameter bar, depends upon your considerations of the size of the column section. Okay, so these are the stirrups basically we have to provide for this respected building section, which is having 8 mm bar or 10 mm bar, and in between this respected distance we will consider 6 inches center to center distance or 5 center to center distance for this respected section. Okay, so this is the complete details about the foundation details if you consider for the trapezoidal foundation section. So basically the foundation section will be depends upon the 2 or 3 factors, which is comes under loading condition, soil condition, and concrete grade. Okay, so just we have to consider the M20 grade and Fe 500 grade and the soil bearing capacity is 200. If you consider this property, the reinforcement values will for the respected G+1 building will be exist here like this, which is having 10 mm bars mesh in horizontal position and vertical position, which is having 5 center to center distance. So this is the top view for the building section, foundation section, and this is the front view for the foundation section. So we have to use the clear cover for this respected foundation is 50 mm, and you have to use the 10 mm diameter bar with the 5 inches center to center distance, and the depth of the foundation basically we will consider here is 5 feet to 6 feet, depends upon your respected loading condition. Okay, so this is the complete process of reinforcement details of the G+1 building. So if you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions. Thank you.